Here's a brief video on how to use fill-in-the-blank questions in new Canvas quizzes to name compounds. I'm making a bank of these questions right now. It's a little bit quirky, as many of these components of new Canvas quizzes are. So I'm going to create a new question in my bank, and of course you could do this in a quiz as well if you want to. It's a fill-in-the-blank question. First of all, I'm going to title this just so I can distinguish it from the other ones that I've named. I'm already up to 7 of these. Now, I can type a statement and put the compound formula in there, but the problem is I have no way of formatting to make subscripts or superscripts. And so here's my suggestion. Use this box above, which does have the ability to do it. So say, for example, I want students to name sodium sulfide. So I type Na2S. And of course, I'm going to make the 2 a subscript. And then I can type down here in this area, the name of the compound is, and then I can type the answer. And then what I do is I highlight the answer, like so, and hit enter. Now, what kind of text match? Do I want just any text that has sodium sulfide in it? No. I want either an exact match, or I could specify other answers. Say, for example, you accept an alternative spelling of sulfide with a pH. You could put that in as a separate one, like this. I could go specify correct answers and say, all right, I would also take this. And then I can go through these other options if I wish and say done. And there's the question. I hope this was helpful.